Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a dimensional spring thank you card with lots of great new layering dies. So let's get started. I'm using the lovely layer Spring Birds, Nest, and Spring Greenery dies for today's card. I die cut 2 of the Bluebird wing pieces from blue cardstocks, the Bluebird's chest from orange cardstock, the Nest layers from Craft, and then die cut everything else from white cardstock. Before I get started, I put all of my tiny die cut pieces onto a scrap of temporary tape to hold them in place while I color. Then I use Copic markers to color all the pieces. I'm going to speed up this process, but you'll see me use Copics to fully color all the white pieces and then also add a little extra shading to the colored cardstock pieces. Once I'm done coloring, I adhere all the pieces together with a mix of liquid glue and HG adhesive. For the super tiny pieces, I have a blob of glue on my scrap paper, and I use tweezers to dip the pieces lightly in the glue before adhering them to the bird. This helps make sure I don't have a lot of excess glue left on the bird. To create my background, I emboss a panel of light gray cardstock with the Dogwood Blossoms 3D embossing folder. This folder creates a dimensional textured panel with lots of beautiful details. Off camera, I die cut lots of the Spring Greenery dies from cardstock colors in a variety of greens and vellum. I arrange them over my panel with the nest on top. Then I take a piece of press and seal wrap from my kitchen and lightly press it into my arrangement. This allows me to pick it all up at once. I add foam mounting tape to the back of the panel and then press it back onto my card front. Once it's adhered, I carefully peel off the press and seal and press the arrangement into the cardstock firmly to make sure nothing's moving. If necessary, I can add a little more liquid glue at this point. I add my bluebird with foam mounting tape, and then I decide to add a few more greenery pieces that I tuck into the arrangement with liquid glue. Finally, I stamp a sentiment from No Place Like Home and die cut it with the coordinating dies. I adhere that to the nest with liquid glue to finish the card. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a great day and happy crafting. Bye!